Another way you can use Fastcase to find case law is to use the annotations to the statutes. Annotations are references added by legal editors that point out other relevant documents to help you with your research. The annotations in Fastcase list cases that have cited the law that we're looking at. This is a great way to find cases that might talk about certain aspects of a statute that you are interested in. In this example, let's say that we're looking for cases about what is considered to be separate property in Texas, which is a community property state. We have found the relevant statute, which is in the Texas Family Code, Chapter 3, Section 1. First, browse to the Family Code, Chapter 3, Section 1. For more information on how to do this, please see our video about browsing the statutes in Fastcase. Now that we're here, we see the full text of the law. To see the annotations, click the A in the toolbar above the text of the statute. This will open a new screen with two sections in the left-hand panel. The top section lists all of the cases that Fastcase has identified that cite to this statute. The bottom section is a graphical view representing these cases. Let's start by talking about the top section. This panel contains a list of all of the cases that Fastcase has found that cite to this statute. The style of each case is listed, along with a little bit of information about it, such as the court that issued the opinion, the date of the opinion, and how often other cases cite to it. You will also see a snippet from the text of the opinion that includes the citation to our statute. Clicking on the style will open the full text of the case to the right. Next, let's look at the bottom panel. This is Fastcase's interactive timeline. It's a way to visualize the impact of different cases. You'll see a graph with dates across the bottom, the names of different courts along the left, and multiple dots. Each dot represents a case that cites to this law. The larger the dot, the more other cases have cited to it, which means it is more likely to be authoritative. You may want to start by looking at these cases. Hovering your mouse over the dot will give you more information about it. To include more cases in the timeline, scroll down in the results panel above. We will talk more about the interactive timeline in our video about evaluating cases. As you can see, the annotations are a great shortcut to finding relevant case law for a specific statute.